Oh, say, can you see? She's bent, as you can see. We're just going to fix it for them. I hope they don't mind. Anyway, see, we left the tape open so they can pull it off if they want. That's a sliding point, and it just bent. I don't know what happened to the other ones. I guess they took them down. It's pretty. So, it's still pretty, right? I didn't get exactly 100% straight. But if you look, this one beginning to bend. We did this one too. I didn't get near as straight. I was afraid it's going to just break in two pieces. So, anyway, happy birthday, America.